Nyla. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you haven't met me yet, I'm a full-time working mom of one baby girl, and on this channel I like to talk about all things design, specifically focusing on the home. In today's video, I will be decluttering my closet and getting it organized for the winter season, and I'll also be talking about how decluttering and organizing your bedroom closet can impact your well-being in your home. One of the things I always like to do for each season is assess different areas in my home to see what I can change to help acclimate myself for the new season. I know a lot of people switch out their clothing in the fall, but since the weather is still finicky, I typically do it as a late fall heading into winter thing. When considering my closet in the winter, I do like to accumulate pieces that bring me a greater sense of comfort. In the winter, I usually go into a sort of hibernation mode where I like to stay in, I don't socialize as much, and a lot of outdoor activities that I would normally engage in to help boost my mood are not an option. So because of this, I try to make my home as comforting as possible, and honestly, that often starts in my bedroom and specifically in my closet. So what I do is I typically use this as an opportunity to get rid of the items that no longer serve me so that I can find items that do. Retail therapy has been a great release to get me excited about the coming colder months because I know it's an opportunity to find items that I love that will be well used throughout the season. Since I do work from home more often than not, I usually opt for really comfy clothes, but I also do try to find some items that will double for work and a night or day out. So one of the other benefits that I found for decluttering and organizing my closet is that it just brings me a greater sense of mental clarity and positivity from within. So being a toddler mom, my self-care routine has fallen off considerably, and my me time has essentially just dwindled down to almost nothing. So I realized that organizing my closet and finding comfortable clothes that I can still express myself, my individuality, and my own personal creativity in has become an essential part of caring for myself during the winter. This has actually worked wonders in reducing my stress and my anxiety. Just being able to clear out unnecessary items and being able to organize the things that I do have in a way that works for me, especially when I need to grab things quickly, when I'm having a busy morning. Also, after having a baby, my body has obviously gone through changes. My weight has been up, it's been down, it's been left, it's been right. It's been hard to figure out my sizes, what I feel comfortable in, what makes me feel happy, what makes me feel good, and just trying to find a balance between items that I like, items that I feel good in, and items that I feel look good on me. So having an organized closet with pieces that fit the bill for all of these things has increased my self-esteem and in turn my mood by miles. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope some of the things that I mentioned also brings you a sense of calm and comfort for this coming winter season and really helps you to stay grounded in your space during the coming winter months. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button, and if you like me, make sure to subscribe. I release videos every single Thursday. Okay, until next time, bye.